Imagine a world where machines can paint masterpieces, compose symphonies, and write novels, all with the click of a button. Welcome to the era of generative AI, where creativity knows no bounds. But what does this mean for the future of human creativity? Let's dive in and explore. Generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content. Unlike traditional AI, which analyzes data to make predictions or decisions, generative AI uses algorithms to produce original works. This technology is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content, from stunning visuals crafted by algorithms to music that resonates with human emotion. In the art world, tools like DALL-E are empowering artists to push the boundaries of imagination. By blending human intuition with machine precision, they are crafting pieces that captivate and inspire. For instance, retailers have reduced their design process from a week to just 8 hours using AI-generated concepts. Imagine walking into a gallery where every piece was co-created by an artist and an AI, each one a unique blend of human creativity and machine learning. In music, platforms like AIVA are helping musicians explore new genres and sounds. AI is not just an assistant, it's a creative partner, opening doors to musical innovation. In fact, a study found that 63% of musicians believe that AI will enhance their creativity rather than replace it. Picture a concert where AI-generated compositions are performed live, blending seamlessly with traditional pieces, creating an entirely new auditory experience. For writers, AI models like GPT-3 offer a new way to overcome creative blocks. Whether it's crafting dialogue or developing plot twists, AI is reshaping the storytelling process. In a recent survey, 58% of authors reported using AI tools to brainstorm ideas and enhance their writing. Imagine reading a novel where the plot evolves based on reader feedback, thanks to AI's ability to adapt and generate new content. Businesses are leveraging generative AI to create engaging content that resonates with audiences. From social media posts to ad campaigns, AI is enhancing creativity and efficiency. For example, Puma increased conversions by 235% using AI-powered solutions to personalize customer experiences. Visualize a future where every advertisement you see is tailored specifically to your preferences, crafted by AI to engage and captivate. But with great power comes great responsibility. As generative AI becomes more prevalent, it raises important questions about authenticity, ownership, and ethics. A recent report indicated that 45% of content creators are concerned about the implications of AI-generated content on their work. We must consider who owns the rights to AI-generated art and how we can ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. As we look to the future, generative AI promises to unlock new realms of creativity and expression. But here's the twist. Imagine a world where AI-generated content becomes indistinguishable from human-created works. How will we define creativity, and what role will humans play in this new landscape? Will AI be a tool that enhances our creative abilities, or will it become a competitor in the realm of art and innovation? Join the conversation and explore the possibilities of generative AI. The future of creativity is here, and it's more exciting than ever. If you're excited about the future of generative AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.